welcome to EC Electronics. So in this video, we are going to see about a data entry job which everyone can do. Okay. So a lot of people are asking me to do more and more videos on data entry and work from home jobs because nowadays we know that everyone is preferring data entry jobs or work from home jobs mainly. So here I've come up with a very good option for you, which is a data entry job. So this is a data entry job and the site name is Hubstaff Talent. Okay, so this is a trusted site. If you are interested, you can apply for this job as soon as possible. So that is one thing I want to tell you in the beginning itself. Here, one of the main advantages which I have found is that, so if you are exploring this site, and if you are doing work here, that is a data entry job or some other job if you are doing in this site, you don't have to pay any commission to this site. Okay, so that is one advantage of the site from other site. We know that there are some other sites which are data entry job, which are providing data entry jobs and other jobs. And they will take a commission uh, from the clients, and they will only give you the money after taking their commission. But here they are not taking any commission. That is one of the biggest advantages you can find here. Now let us explore that is how to create a profile here, what are the jobs possible here, and how all you can work here. Let us see all those things before moving to the video. If you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. Okay, so the site name is Hubstaff Talent and this is a US based site. Okay, here the first thing you have to do is a basic registration. Okay, and in order to register, what you have to do is you have to click on this icon called Start a Profile. Yeah, I'm going to click on the Start a Profile. Now you can see there is an application form like thing. Basic things only they are asking. Okay, basic registration you have to do. So what you have to do is you have to put your full name, email ID, password, confirm. And after your basic registration, you will get a mail. You have to confirm the mail ID and all, and you have to create an account. So this is just creating an account in Hubstaff. This is not creating a resume like thing, or we have to create that later. Okay. So this is a basic registration. Okay. So this is the basic registration or signing up to Hubstaff. So before going to the making of a freelancer profile and before making the freelancer profile, let us explore a little more about the Hubstaff site. Okay, so here you can see that there are various profiles of the persons who are working in Hubstaff given. See here, there are various persons, they are working as freelancers and you can see their profile if you are clicking on it. Okay, so I'm going to click on this profile and I can see the profile. See, and they have also given their price, that is on how much amount they are working per hour. Yeah, so this is the profile of a freelancer person. Okay, now if you click on the CV resume, you can see the person's resume also. Now if you are interested in attaching a resume to your site, that is if you are going to create a freelancer profile in Hubstaff and if you are going to make a resume, you can actually make use of these sample resumes which the other persons have given. Okay, so this is a profile of a person who is working here. Okay, I'm just showing you some profiles. Yeah, and after that let us see on which all area you can work in Hubstaff. Okay, so next let us see in which all categories you can find jobs in Hubstaff. Yeah, there is jobs under development, marketing and sales, design and multimedia, writing and content, then database and IT, admin, business consulting, various categories are there. If you click on this view all categories, you will see more categories. Now, if you are interested in database or data entry jobs, you will be working in the admin category. Okay. Yeah. That is administrative category. Yeah. Now, first you have to create a profile. After that, you can browse jobs. Okay. So let us directly click on the browse jobs here. I'm going to click on it. Now you can see that various jobs are coming. See, data entry, VA, health counselor. So likewise, various jobs you can find here. So what I'm going to put is, I'm going to type here data entry. I've already typed. Okay, yeah. Search jobs. Now you can see the data entry related jobs. Long-term research and data entry job. Then Java developer entry level recent grads. So yeah, you can find various data entry related jobs now. Consider that you are interested in this job. If you are interested in this job, you can click on this job and it will open. Here you can see the various qualifications of this job. Qualification is knowledge of information security and privacy, high analytical and problem solving skills, then can work in minimal supervision, ability to work at a high capacity. All these things are the qualification requirements. Technical requirements also they have given. Okay, now here beginner or intermediate persons both can apply. Okay, then if you are interested, just click on this apply to job. So after reading the qualification requirements and the technical requirements, if you are interested in applying for this job, just click on this apply to job. Okay, so another thing I want to tell you is that I have already signed up or I have already registered to this site. Okay, now I have registered to this site. Now after registering, registration means we have seen that initially there was a icon for start a profile, right? In the beginning, I have told you how to register. Yeah, after you have done that registration and after you have done your email verification, you will see an account like this. See, you will see an account like this. You will see a icon like this, and after you have registered, you have to create a freelancer profile. See, you can see that there are two options. One is freelancer, next one is agency. Now talking about an agency means this will be an intermediate person. There is this, if you're registering as an agency, you won't be directly working, but in turn you will be hiring other persons to work for you. Okay, so that is agency. Now let us skip about agency as of now because we are interested in only data entry jobs or freelancer jobs. So we'll click on this freelancer. Yeah. So when you click on the freelancer icon, there were two options, right? Freelancer was there, agent was there. So if you click on the freelancer option, you can see there is an application form coming up. There are 4 stages of application form. First one is create a freelancer profile, give your details, web presence, and resume. Okay, yeah. So all these fields you have to fill up and you have to submit. So on the final submission, you will complete your freelancer profile. And after that, you can see your profile just like we have seen other person's profile, right? We have seen one person's profile, just like that, your profile will be also created. So, and also you have to attach your resume also, okay? So you will create your profile and then you can start working and you can start earning, okay? And you can apply to various data entry jobs that you will be finding. So in order to apply for various data entry jobs, you have to browse jobs. Again, we have seen this data entry search jobs. Now you will see various openings coming up. You can either go for full-time or hourly contact or there is hourly contract or fixed price. Okay. Then you can also select your experience level, country, languages, your budget. So all these things you can set up and you can search for the data entry jobs. Okay. So there is a lot of data entry jobs which will come if you are putting as data entry. Okay. So these are the various data entry jobs which has come up. So all these jobs will be work from home jobs. We know that all data entry jobs are mainly work from home. So you can apply for the one which is relevant for you. Now, if you are doing job here, now how the money retrieval or your salary retrieval is going to happen is through PayPal. We know that mostly all these type of freelancer jobs and data entry jobs, the salary they are providing through PayPal account. So you have to create a PayPal. Okay. you have to create a PayPal account for if you're interested in doing a data entry job or a freelancer job. Okay. So that's all about the Hubstaff details. So we have seen how to register to this site, how to create a freelancer profile. So once you have created a freelancer profile, you don't have to create it multiple times for different jobs. Only once you need to create a profile. And after that, you have to just apply. And you can apply for multiple job positions, not just data entry. We have also seen that various other categories are also there. You can explore that also. Okay. So these things you can find in this website, which is called Hubstaff Talent. So this is a US based site. And another thing I want to tell you is that there will be various jobs. Some jobs will be paying you on a hourly basis. You can see that this is a data entry jobs which is going to pay on a hourly basis, which will be $3 per hour. Again, there will be some jobs which will be for full time, and there will be fixed price jobs also. See, just click on this fixed price. You will see the fixed price job. Means this is not on a hourly basis, but it will be like on a monthly or a weekly basis, which will be a fixed price. Okay. So these type of various jobs you can explore. Okay. Yeah, this is a job which is on a fixed price, and if you complete this job, you will get $500. So that is the contract. Okay. So like this, you can find or explore various jobs, and this site is 100% trustworthy. Okay. So, and a lot of people has actually talked about this site. And since a lot of people was asking me to do more and more data entry related jobs and typing jobs, I've come up with this video. If you have not yet explored this site, please do explore it. It will be definitely useful. Okay. Because we know that nowadays a lot of fake news is also coming regarding this data entry job, typing job, work from home jobs. So here it is a data entry job, and this is a 100% trustworthy site. Okay, so you have to apply for these jobs which are coming to you, and while you're applying, the company which is providing you this job will be asking you various questions regarding like on which hour you are willing to work or you are available to work, so all these things they'll be asking you. Okay, so that's all about the Hubstaff site. Please do explore it. And if you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.